everybody, Alex Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 17 of May I Scraplift You. So today I am scrap lifting Ronnie Bell Designs, and I'm actually going to scrap lift a junk journal page, which is a first. And she is currently at 988 subscribers, so she is so super close to having 1,000 subscribers, so I know that she would love to have you. I am also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style and Mad About Mini Paper Pads. So, one day a month we pull out those mini paper pads and either make embellishments, layouts, cards, whatever, just use them up. So definitely check out the playlist below and see what everyone else is creating out of their mini paper pads. So I am going to scrap lift this. It's just a small junk journal page, but she has 2 photos on it and then like 3 kind of torn paper tags on the base. So I'm going to kind of do something similar. This is my mini paper pad that I'm using. It is the Echo Park Spring Collection. I'm using 2 papers from it. And then I'm also using a few strips from my kits for the month. And this one's from Close to My Heart Secret Garden. And this one is from the other one that I only have scraps left. This is my 2 sheets. I've already cut them in half. That's all I did. Was literally take them out of the pad and cut them down the middle at 3 inches. And I have this piece of ephemera from the mini pad collection. And I have this swap piece made by Sharon Piper that I'm going to use. My background piece is also from the Secret Garden Close to My Heart collection. And then I have 3 photos instead of 2 of Vivian jumping on the trampoline, the big trampoline. I don't know if that's the first time she ever jumped on one or not, but she had a lot of fun doing it. Alright, so I'm kind of going to do this the same way that Ronnie Bell here has done hers, and I'm going to add a few other little things just to fill it out since it is a 12 by 12 layout. So my plan is to use my mini paper pads and put them together like this and create kind of like the tag look that she had going, or torn paper look. She had 3 different ones. So I'm not going to tear mine like she did, but I am going to put them together. I mean, I guess technically I could tear the ends of them just to add a little decorative part. And I'm going to use this strip across just to add some more of the color in and kind of tie everything together. And then I'm going to do this part down here. And then I have my 3 photos. So, let's see. I'll probably do one like here. Trying to see which way Vivian is facing to make it come out. You know what? I think I'm going to move everything down a little bit more and separate these some. I am still struggling with the allergies. I am so over it. It has rained for like a million years now. I think we probably need to start building an ark. think I like this better, just to give it a little bit of difference between it. And then maybe do this, or maybe move these up a little. Like that. And then I'm going to use this one as like a 4th place holder. I'm going to put this here. It says some old-fashioned things like fresh air and sunshine are hard to beat, which is very, very true. And she was outside playing, so yeah, I think I'm going to have to move everything up. I'm going to put this here. And then I just have some little flowers that, and I have a butterfly from the pack, the ephemera pack from my kit. And then I have these flowers that I've been using. I think they're the Hobby Lobby brand of paper flowers. And I'm just going to kind of sprinkle these around. Oh, I know what I did. I think that right there is exactly how it's going to go. All I need to do is pretty much glue everything down. And I will post pictures at the end with everything glued. Definitely go over and check out Ronnie Bell Designs and help her reach 1,000. And check out all those playing along with how to kill a kit with style and Mad About Mini paper pads. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that this inspires you. And until next time, bye y'all.